Morning. Just wanted to give a quick update on the 70 Custom 10 that I've been working on. Just to give you a quick overview of what I've done, where I'm at, what I'm doing next. The truck as it sits right now. Uh, it looks pretty good. We've pressure washed the truck, painted the wheels, used the chrome trim rings off the rallies, got rid of the centers. We've got the grill cleaned up. We've got new turn signals to go in. We got the amber ones to go in. These do not work. They got a bunch of water in them one time or another. The sockets are completely rusted out. That's another part of the project that we're doing. We've cleaned it up inside and out. We've added spot mirrors. As you can tell, it's pretty clean on the inside now. We've added a new radio. It's a retro style radio that fits right into the dash. Added speakers on both sides. We've changed out the gas tank. We've got a new gas tank behind the seat. And we've cleaned up underneath the hood a little bit. We stripped out a bunch of wires from underneath the dash. We're going to try to get this a little better going forward. We pulled the old carburetor off, put a new quadrajet on it to get it running. I think we're going to have to add some new spark plug wires. These are pretty short and they're laying on the exhaust manifolds. As you can tell, this has already burnt the plastic wire loom that somebody put on it years ago. Probably my father-in-law or the guy that put the motor in for him, one or the other. Regardless, that's just something else we got to take care of. New air filter, new catch can for the radiator. The next part of the project is since we replaced the gas tank, now we've got to get underneath the truck and replace the gas line. I believe that's going to be the project that I'm going to tackle today. So we'll pick that up just as soon as I get underneath the truck. All right, here we're getting underneath the truck where we can see. Truck's not too bad. I mean, it's pretty dirty under here. Let's see what we can see. Alright, you can look and see why I'm having to do this. The gas line is dripping right here down into the bucket that I'm talking about. The old fuel line that's been on here has been on here about 55 years. I think it's pretty much dry rotted and it's done its job, so let's get started and get this done. Let's see if we can get this one disconnected right quick. Yeah, it's leaking pretty good. I gotta pinch this off somewhere. I don't want to drain all the gas out of the gas tank. Alright, I got a pair of vice grips and pinch this thing off for a minute. Alright. Alright, that'll help for a minute till we get. We'll have to make the connection pretty quick. think I got to get the other one from the top. I think what we're going to do, we're going to try to get the one on the fuel pump on first, and then pull this one off and slide that one on, so we don't lose a whole lot more fuel. I believe this one will be just long enough. All right, move this out of the way just a little bit. That should help. Let's see if we can slide this on. I think that's up there. I have to loosen this clamp a little bit to get it to slide on up. All right. Let's see if we can get this one off. There it is. All right. All right. There it is. We got the new gas line on it now, so that'll stop some of the leaks anyway for right now. So on to the next project. Okay, there's the old gas line. In pretty bad shape. We lost probably close to a half a gallon of gas doing this, but fortunately we only have to do it one time, and we still smell like gasoline. But we're moving on.